Hey guys, welcome back to Reset with P. Today we are talking about something that every one of us struggle with. How to make our new year amazing without stressing out or overthinking every tiny step. If it is the same problem with you, dive in or just grab a cup of water or coffee and let's start. So the first point is stop treating January like a personality test. You don't need to have your entire life figured out on the first day of 2026. A year has 365 days, not 24 hours. Your life isn't a race, you are not behind. The first step is a peaceful year, is reminding yourself you are allowed to grow slowly. The second important point is choose 3 core feelings, not 20 goals. Instead of writing a huge list of goals, ask yourself, how do I want to feel in 2026? Confident, peaceful, financially secure, energized. Now build small habits around these feelings because goals fail, but feeling guides you every day. Next is keep it minimal. Break your life into 4 simple areas: mind, body, self, and work. Now write one intention for each, not 50, just one you can actually stay consistent with. The next habit is work with your energy, not against it. Some months you'll feel unstoppable, but some months you'll also feel slow and tired. Both are normal. 2026 becomes easier when you stop forcing grind mode every day. Move with your natural rhythm, plan heavy tasks during high energy weeks and rest during low energy ones. This is how you stay consistent without burnout. The next habit is choose one transformational habit, not 10, just one. Like reading 20 minutes a day, walking 5,000 steps, studying 1 hour, journaling every night, or saving 1000 rupees a month. One small habit can shift your entire identity in a year. Declutter your digital and mental space. 2026 will feel lighter when your life feels organized. Unfollow accounts that drain you. Delete old chats you don't need. Clean your gallery. Fix your sleep schedule. Little things create big space. Last habit is let go of the timeline in your head. You are not late, you are learning and you are becoming. 2026 will be your best year, not because you do everything perfectly, but because you finally choose yourself gently, consistently, and with love. If this video helped you slow down and breathe a little, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs a soft reset for 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.